Hi my lovelies, I am back guys. I am back. I am so sorry that I left. I mean every time I go away for over a month I feel so bad. I feel so guilty. I feel like I've left my subscribers just hanging, and I'm so sorry about that guys, but you know, sometimes life gets busy and all of that, so that is why I was away. But I am so happy to be back. If it's your first time here, welcome to Shaunz World. I hope you will enjoy my content. Of course, if you do, go ahead and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to thumbs up my video, and of course turn your notifications on. If you've been rocking with me for a very long time, of course you know that you're always welcome here in this space, so thank you for always stopping by and showing your support. So guys, I'll be trying on these pieces from ASOS. I Saw It First and BOOHOO is sort of a mixed haul, and it's more of a spring going into summer sort of vibe. Now guys, some of these pieces I do like. Some of them, they're on the, you know, I'm sort of on the fence with them, but I will tell you how I feel about them and I'll describe them to you as I go along. So I do hope you enjoy this video. If you do, go ahead and thumbs up the video, subscribe, and turn notifications on, of course, and don't forget to comment. All right, so I'll see you guys soon. Mwah. I hope you enjoy. So guys, the first piece I have to show you is from BOOHOO. I picked up this sort of green, olive green, I think it's called, olive green long sleeve mini dress, and it's got shoulder pads. I have not seen shoulder pads in ages, but I welcome it. I'm not mad at it. It's got shoulder pads here, so it makes the shoulders just stand up like that. And of course it's got this neck that you just put around like that. And the back is very much open, as you will see in the try on. You will see how it actually fits. The sleeves are long and they're sort of flared off, and they've got slits in them as well. Very, very sexy dress, and I would wear these. I would wear this with some nice nude or white heels, and that would be a summer sort of late spring summer outfit of the night, or date night outfit, or even if you're going clubbing or whatever, you could wear this. But it's a very nice dress. It's quite stretchy, and for reference, I'm a size UK 8, which is probably a size 4 in the US. I'm not quite sure, but this is a UK 8, and it has a lot of stretch, and it's a very comfortable, nice dress. And you cannot wear any bra with this, guys, okay? So it's not for the faint-hearted because of the back like that. But it's a very nice dress, and I like it a lot. Actually, I love it. All right guys, so next up we have this Midaxi Bodycon dress, and it has sort of a tie around the neck. You will see somewhere on your screen, okay? And it goes all the way down to my shins, of course, and it's got lots of ruching, which I love, especially if you're trying to hide like a food baby belly or something like that. It's perfect if you have dresses like these, because the ruching actually covers, you know, all the places that you don't want anybody to see. And it's got a deep back as well, so no bra, and then it ties around the neck, and as I said, it goes all the way down to close enough to my ankles, okay? And I don't know what this color is called, but I think it's sort of like a brownish color, not quite sure. But yes, this is a nice sexy dress as well, and it's perfect for summer nights. So guys, if you know me, right, you will know that when I love something and they have it in different colors, different styles, whatever, I am going to pick up the whole lot. So of course, the dress that I just showed you, the brown Midaxi dress, I picked that up in a olive green as well. I have been loving green lately. It looks so nice when you're tanned, and this is a very similar dress to the brown one that I just showed you, except I think the material, this material is much softer than the brown one, and it stretches a lot more as well. But it goes all the way down, close enough to the ankles, not all the way down, but close enough. And again, it's got the ruching. It's got the ruching, guys. It's got the ruching, and of course a tie neck, and it's a beautiful stunning color. It's got good enough stretch as well, and this, as I said, I'm a UK 8, so it's got lots of stretch. So if you're a 10, you could probably fit in this as well, because it's got a really nice stretch to it. And guys, I really like these dresses because they're not hard to style. You can style them with a pair of white sandals, or you know, some clear sandals, and you're good to go. So I have been loving these. I haven't worn them yet, but You will obviously see pictures on Instagram of how I style these dresses, okay? Next up, guys, we have this denim mini dress. Oh my goodness, guys, when I saw this on the site, on ASOS site, guys, these are all from ASOS, by the way. When I saw this on the site, I was like, I gotta get this dress. Now, I bought it in a size 8, and the 8 was too small. It has zero stretch, you guys. This material it's like proper denim, so it has zero stretch, so I had to go a size up. So I got a UK size 10, and it looks like this. Is one sleeve, and it's got the puff sleeve right here, and it's got the long zipper at the back like so. Very cute dress. It's so summer, guys. And then it has the little ruffled bit on the neck, which I will show you in a picture or in a video. Of course, I will show you how it fits. But I absolutely love this dress. It's so unique, and I thought this is so me, and this will be perfect for a summer afternoon or evening out. I just love the one shoulder detail, you guys. It is so me. So yes, and it wasn't, I got this on sale, guys. I think it was something like £55, and I got it for £30, which I think is good because the material itself is such high quality. Oh, and I like the pattern on it as well, sort of like swirly patterns. Don't know if you can see that, but that's how it looks. And it's got that long zipper, as I said, in the back, which is not very difficult to zip up if you're alone. So yeah, love this dress so much. Oh, and then I mentioned it has 2 little slits at the front. I'm trying to give you all the details, honey. It's got 2 little slits at the front right here, which makes it super cute. Guys, can we just talk about this mirror that I bought from ASOS? It's a Morphe mirror. It came in this box, and it's Mickey Mouse. How cute is that, you guys? So that's what the mirror looks like. It's a perfect little mirror, and I adore it so much. That's what it looks like. It's actually Morphe, Mickey and Friends. That's what it says there on the packaging, if you can see it. Super cute little mirror, you guys. It's probably for kids, but, well, actually, it may not be for kids because it's Morphe. It's a makeup brand. But I absolutely love this cute little mirror. Just thought I'd share that with you guys. Got this from ASOS as well. I cannot get enough of clear sandals, Perspex sandals, and these are perfect if you want to, you know, just run out and have a drink or whatever. So I picked these up. They're quite comfortable. I had to size down because the 6s were a little bit too big, so these are a UK 5, and I absolutely love how they fit. Of course, I will show you guys. I also bought another pair of Perspex heels, which I have another pair of because I loved it so much. I bought another pair, but I'm a huge fan of Perspex heels. Love these. They're so cute. Look at the heels, guys. Yeah, love them. On to I Saw It First, you guys. I picked up a few pieces. I'm not quite sure how I feel about some of their pieces. They're quite cheapy, and I'm not a fan of that. But I picked up this body, and it's super cute. It's got that marble effect as well. It's sort of like 70s style, and I absolutely love it because of the greens and the browns and the pinks. Super cute. I also picked up another body, which is a black and green see-through body as well. I've got a thing for see-through, you guys, and if I can manage to. So it's long sleeve, you guys, and it's got the exposed seam. Absolutely cute, long sleeved, and I love this as well. See-through is always a vibe. It's green and it's black, perfect for summer, and I cannot wait to style this. Don't know what I'm going to style it with, you guys, but you will see pictures. But this is another piece from I Saw It First. Super cute, and it's kind of like a high cut at the side, but yeah, I love this piece as well. Really nice from I Saw It First. Okay, guys, so another piece I picked up from I Saw It First is this blazer right here. I love the pattern, not necessarily the material. It's kind of cheapy material, but I love the pattern. I picked up a bigger size than I usually wear. This is a 10, and I absolutely love this. I love the colors, and I love the print as well. It's sort of like a paisley print, and it's got one button at the front, so it's perfect. I can wear this in the summer when it's just a little bit nippy outside. I can wear this over a nice vest or something. But I love the colors and I absolutely love the print, so I had to get this from I Saw It First as well. It's a nice blazer, but I don't like the material per se. But other than that, it's a lovely blazer because the color just immediately grabbed me, and I love colorful stuff like this. But the material, I'm not too keen on, if you get what I mean. Guys, I also picked up this faux leather trousers. It's like wide legged trousers, and it's faux leather. So it's got the slits at the front as well. It fits really nicely, but I have to wear this when it's not hot because boy, I will burn up in this. But it's really nice and it has some stretch to it. So yeah, I like it. I think I'm going to get the other colors in it, but I'm not quite sure yet. But it's very nice, guys. And it fits very well. It's not too tight, which is what I was going for. I didn't want it to be too tight on me, but it's perfect. And I love the color as well. I love olive greens. And yes, guys, I will show you how I style these trousers as well. Really nice, again, from I Saw It First. Last piece I picked up from I Saw It First is this little bodycon dress right here. It's a mini dress, and I love the green with the sort of cream splashes on it. I thought it was super cute. And you can just wear this with some heels or some flats, some sandals, and a blazer over top of it, and you're good to go. I sort of like these simple dresses because there are so many different ways of styling them. And I thought, why not? I mean, it's super simple, but it has that impact, if you get what I mean. So it's like a racer back, and it's sort of like high-ish neck. You will see the video, you guys. But I thought this was super cute, and I grabbed it again from I Saw It First. Guys, my camera died, and I'm using my phone, so I'm trying to figure out where the lens is, and it's right there. Okay, moving on, guys, to Boohoo. I picked up a few skirts. You probably have seen me on Instagram with these skirts. I picked up 3 different types. They're long, they're sort of like Midaxi. They've got the split at the front and the buttons right here. So cute, and I got them in different patterns. I've got this one. I've got this one. Of course, you see the videos, and I got the red as well, and they're super cute and they are so affordable, guys, and I absolutely love them, and I cannot wait to style them. So you will see in the video what they actually look like, but they're super cute skirts and they're super affordable as well from Boohoo. Okay, guys, another outfit I picked up from Boohoo is this swirly sort of cord. It's a trouser, like a flare trousers, and a body at the top. It's like a body, and it's got the keyhole detail right here. Of course, I will show you the video, but it's super cute and it's super affordable, and the material is quite thin. So if you're not into thin material, then you may not like this, but the fit is perfect, and I cannot wait to wear this out, you guys. It's so cute. It's like flared at the bottom with the slit, and the top, as I said, is a body. And this type of material or style, swirly sort of marble, is so much in, is so on trend right now, and I cannot wait to style this for you guys, to let you see how I actually wear it. So yes, this is something else I picked up at Boohoo, and I absolutely love the style. Picked up this skirt from Boohoo, you guys. It's ruching detail as well with these 2 ties at the front, and it's got a zipper in the back, and I love the pattern so much. And I don't know what I'm going to wear this with, but maybe like a cream top or something, or a brown top. But this is going to look so good, so stunning for the summer with some nice white heels or some perspex heels. So yes, guys, this is another skirt I picked up from Boohoo. It's super cute, and I love the ruching on the side as well. And what can I say? I love ruching. Okay, my lovelies, so that will do for today's haul. I do hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what your favorite piece or pieces were. Drop that in the comment section down below, and don't forget to, what is it? Subscribe. You got it. Subscribe, thumbs up the video, turn the notifications on, and leave your girl a comment. Hey, what can I say? Leave me a comment to let me know if you enjoy these types of videos or what you'd like to see in the future. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys for sticking around. Even when I'm gone, you're still like, hey, Shaunz, where are you? I am here. I will always come back and, you know, chill out with you guys. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye. In a minute, I'm about that time. Hey. It's 6:30. Or is it thick 30? Whatever Lizzo said, okay? Peace.